What's up, guys? AK with DCC Train. This is Lemaco S10. Brass, highly detailed. I'm calling them like museum edition. Not every day at AK Crazy Russian workbench. Check this out. And if you don't mind, what's this called in English proper for the steam locomotive boiler? There is a magnet behind, and there are details inside. So you just put it in the display, open it, and look at it. That's so cool. Check this out. Wow. The challenge is, and it took me a while to figure out everything. So there is no room in the boiler for speaker and inside of the boiler, and decoder probably can fit, but there is no reason. So everything is going to the speaker, decoder, in the tender. So cool stuff. And I need to connect it with 6 wires. So it's very tricky mechanism they did. Always, guys, try to use some cover with plastic. So on those nice, this is ASU like stand. I'm going to show you how it's actually working. So there is a lock here, okay, and 2 pins plug. Try to undo it. Bear with me. Okay. I like the construction, but it's just not going for DC version. Of course, it's fine. There are lights in the tender and the boiler, but that's my solution. I'll paint that white wire. That's for the reference right now. So 4 plug wires, 4 pins, and 2 pins here. I'm good now. Thanks for watching, supporting business. If you'd like to support channel, please join membership.